Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can design this part, foldable chair or ladder in the CAD software, and how you can manufacture it if you want to physically make this product. So let me first go through the overall dimension of this part. So this is the overall dimension. You can pause the video and check it, screenshot it, and I will attach this dimension drawings in the link in the description. So one main thing in this design is this mechanism here. This hole and this hole correspond to the bearing hub. So here we will use the bearing to because bearing will provide the smoother rotation, so to fold this component inside it and this one inside this one. The reason I said it is the main because this dimension of this part is very dependent. So here if you see, this is 30 mm and this is the so this this hole is basically 45 mm from this part corner, and from this part corner, if we see the second part corner, it is 30 mm. So if the dimension is little bit wrong, like let's suppose you have 25 mm and 45 mm, or 40 mm and 30 mm, it will cause the problem. The reason it will cause the problem is that the folding will be not smooth. So if you see in my video, this folding is very smooth, all the edges are aligned and looks very perfect. And if there is even 1-2 mm difference, then the whole design aesthetics will be looks it doesn't looks good. Okay, this is the one thing. And these are the components. Okay, so I will show you here. These are the components. Okay, these components and these components are symmetrical, so you can design them one like same method. This is the reinforcement, and also I added here the reinforcement. The reason I added the reinforcement because when the person will stand here, these reinforcement will carry the load of the person. And there is no center plate here at the mid compartment, because otherwise it will this part and that bottom part will strike. So I didn't make so that's why there is no reinforcement like it is here and here. Other than, yeah, I will also show you this dimension, side dimension. So the this part from here to here is 442 mm, and then the center part is 352, and bottom part, oh, let me take bottom part drawing. Yeah, oh, this is 352. So these are the outer dimensions, so you can see outer dimension. And one other thing is the clearance between these components. Like here you can see clearance between this part and this this wall this wall and this wall is 2.5 mm. Similarly, this wall and this wall is 2.5. This wall is 2.5. Same as it, because if we don't have this clearance, then there will be some collision or crash between these two walls, and it will degrade the design, and also it will not fold perfectly. So I think this is the reason I make this video, is just to give you some overview, so that if you want to make this part by yourself, or if you want to make it from any carpenter, you can show them this video and he will check out the parts and also There are all the dimensions are available in the PDF drawing, so it will be easy and convenient for them to create it. And if there is, yeah, there is nothing else to, yeah, there is all everything I think I explained to you.